Hello, son. I came back from work. What a tiring day. How are you? Hello, Dad. I'm fine. I made some rice with eggs to eat for dinner. Oh, that's great. I like it. What happened? Why are you sad? No, nothing. Everything's fine. Let's eat. I also made some lemonade for you, Dad. Excellent. That's my son. But why is the house is dirty? Didn't you clean it? I have already told you. We are not too dirty. We have to keep the house clean. Poverty is not synonymous with dirt. What happened? You always clean the house. Oh, the house. I'm sorry. I arrived a little late today. I just made dinner. Don't worry. That's okay. I will clean the house after having a dinner. No, no. I will do it later. But there is something I have to tell you, Dad. I know. What is that thing? What's make you sad, my dear son? Tell me. It's the teacher. She keeps telling me about the books. And no, never mind. It's not important, Dad. Let's have a dinner. I will wash the dishes. Give me a minute.